Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the WuKong expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this one is positioned as a long-term stable system using traditional indicators with some AI enhancements. The seller emphasizes one trade at a time, fixed stop loss, no dangerous recovery methods like martingale or greed or averaging, and also support for small accounts on the 1 minute time frame. It sounds disciplined, so let's go through what the page claims and what my tests revealed. Sure you watch until the end to get the full breakdown of the WuKong expert advisor. But before we dive into the details, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. Now we're talking about the WuKong, and it goes for just 200 US dollars. It was published on the 6th of September 2024, and since then, since September 2024, it hasn't been updated. Its developer Xiaoyu Huang from China is quite popular, has 4.5 stars out of 5 from 9 reviews, and claims to have more than 10 years in the development of expert advisors. This EA has no reviews, has no comments. So let's just dive into what makes the EA tick. And from the MQL5 page, WuKong EA focuses on adaptive trading with traditional technical indicators. It runs on the 1 minute time frame across pairs like GBP CAD, GBPUSD, Euro CAD, Euro USD. This is a typo. And the core is one order at a time, no martingale, no greed. It uses fixed but adaptive stop loss and take profit. We also have limit orders, and all of this is to minimize slippage, and also it integrates ONNX for AI boost. They run a live signal, but this live signal has been deleted by the developer, so no more live. But this is what it used to look like. Developer stresses long-term stable profitability through algorithm optimization rather than heavy parameter tweaking. It includes news filtering, works on ECN hedge accounts, and supports small deposits of $20. They show backtests with strong profit factors around 3.66, high win rates of over 80%, and low drawdowns in the 6 to 13% range. And this was from a $1,000 initial deposit, and they took the account to 102,482 total net profit, which is very, very impressive. And also it shows consistent performance. The system aims for precision entries with controlled risks, basically, and is suitable for prop firms and steady growth without big equity swings. Now let's talk about the features and the settings that they market. Well, the major thing is the one order at a time, which they've been shouting about. And also we have the fixed stop loss and take profit, which are the defaults. Defaults should be 800 and take profit 500. Also, the limit order execution, the WPR filters for buy and sell, and also close signals. Then we have the news filter, the time filters, the money management with fixed lots, and there is the multi symbol, the one chart setup option, the ONNX for AI boost, AI integration, and they highlight that it's prop firm friendly. It works with other EAs, it uses low spread brokers like the IC markets, and also prioritize long-term stability over aggressive gains. Now this is all from the developer. Now let's look at my backtest. I ran it on GBPUSD on the 1 minute time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 initial deposit, and it showed a gradual declining equity curve which starts strong but trends down with periodic recoveries. that don't fully offset the losses. And at the end of the day, we ended up with about $3,247 in losses. The total net profit and the profit factor was 0.51, and the max drawdown was around 33 to 34%, both on equity and balance. Also, the total trades were just 87 trades. We have decent win rate of 54%, but larger average losses. Yeah, some wins, but much more losses than the wins. And the developer claims strong growth, high wins, and low drawdowns. But here in my backtest, it was stable-ish, but net negative. It's common when 1 minute signals don't align well in certain market conditions. And the inputs that mattered are the lot fix, and it was set at 0.01 based on the defaults. For this backtest, I used the default settings and the WPR filters. We have the buy 80, the sell 10, and the close -20. We also have the stop loss and take profit settings. All of these can be adjusted. We have the news filter off in my test and time window. Also the one order rule, which kept things from blowing up, but also limited recovery. Now, all of these are the settings and the inputs which you can adjust to your preferences and to your risk appetite. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it has a clean risk structure that stands out, no martingale mess, no risky mess, and it can deliver steady results in favorable conditions with good broker execution. The catch is 1 minute trading is noisy. Yeah, we all know that. And the adaptive logic plus filters may miss edges or hold through chop, leading to drawdowns like we saw. And it's great for experienced traders who want low exposure per trade, who can run multiple pairs and monitor on low spread accounts. Beginners or those expecting smooth equity growth should be cautious. This profit and drawdowns can differ a lot depending on market conditions and position size. So you should be careful and ensure you always demo test and backtest the WuKong across multiple pairs, not just on one pair and not just on one time frame. And ensure you do all of this before you go ahead to purchase. Or if you have already purchased, you can send a message to the Xiao Wang to give you set files that will ensure that this EA works best for you. Now that's the end of our review on the WuKong Expert Advisor. Like this if it helped, and subscribe for more real reviews like this one. Drop your next EA suggestion in the comments and grab that free Forex robot in the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next.